Welcome to iLeadCapture. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your iLeadCapture applet on your computer. It's compatible with Windows XP and Windows 7. There are three main steps: language setting, English, French, or German. In our case, I'm selecting English. You can modify the greeting text. Instead of "please sign in," you may want to put something like "Welcome to Interlinx." And finally, the CSV file setting is where your saved CSV, comma-separated variable file, will be saved. In our case, I'd like to save it to my desktop, but you can save it anywhere on your computer, and it'll be saved in a CSV file that you may want to name specific to your business. In my case, I'm calling it Leads List. iLeadCapture is an easy way for you to capture contact information at a trade show or a convention, or even if you want to go through your business cards that are sitting on your desk in a very quick manner. It creates a CSV file so that you can import that information into a contact manager like ACT or Salesforce.com, or you can also use the list to manage your e-marketing, for example. The yellow fields are required. And all you need to do is hit submit, and the form refreshes, and you can enter the next lead. Hit submit, and so on. When you're done at the end of the day, you simply hit the X button. A thank you comes up with contact information. You can hit close, and you see that the lead list CSV has popped up on my desktop. I've double-clicked on it. It opens up the lead list in Excel, and there you have your leads that you just captured in iLeadCapture. It's ready to import into any program or application that will accept a CSV import file. Thank you for your interest, and we'll look forward to working with you.